Thanks for coming. I feel here like a rock star. I would like to, my name is Raúl Nogales. I'm a founder and CEO at 101 AVAP, and I would like today to introduce our technology, our products. But first of all, I would like to invite you to go back in time, to travel in time to 1995. In 1995, I was young, and James Gosling and Sun Microsystem introduced to us a radical idea. It's a write once and run anywhere. It's incredible. Java decoupled the software from the hardware, and today, programming language, a lot of programming language, software and products works with this technology, work with this architecture. But today, one thing hasn't changed. We are still compiling, we are still restarting, we are still scheduling maintenance Windows, and we're still versioning Gene's APIs. Software remains static in a world totally dynamic. Java solves the portability, but nobody solves the evolution. Today, a lot of companies need to spend a lot of money every year to maintain the software. To maintain the software include when not change any line and not change the business logic. Java, I say that Java decouples from hardware, and AVAP, our technology, decouples from obsolescence. We have a technology, we have a product, and we create a virtual code that can mutate on the fly. You can work and no recompilation, no restarts, and no maintain Windows. Software stop being deployed and it start evolving. AVAP turns software in something alive. I would like to say that if you have an electric new model car, an amazing car with the AI driven, with a lot of agents checking and working all your system in the car, but your brake system was made with technology 30 years ago. You need to go with the car to the mechanic a lot of time over the year and spend a lot of money to maintain this car. AVAP is a new technology that no need to go with the mechanic with your car, and you always keep driving, no need to stop, to fix, to improve the code. And to manage everything and to govern that evolution, we create AVAP Sphere, an AI-driven virtual API platform. If you want to know more about our technology, about our product, you can visit us on booth 234. Thank you so much.